one hand, get the motor and lift it, and slide it like that, and then get this sucker on there, and then drop it, and then the gravity will tension it. Oh, I just knocked my chin on there. Oh. I think it's on there. I get it? Oh, camera, what do you think? Oh, it's on there. Come on, buddy. There we go. That dropped. Don't drop your wrench. And then reach over here like this. Yeah, that drop. Give me some hey-oh. Yes. Joint the wood. Joint the wood. Joint the wood. Boom. I don't want all that whammy, so let me try that one. I like that one. Can I get in there? There we go. All right, put it in there. Got it. Joiner set up. So let's figure out what this is for. Dang, where's that one go? Turn this thing off, turn it all the way around. It's gonna be all the way over here.